Looking for a motherboard that delivers solid performance without breaking the bank? The ASUS Z590M Plus is designed to unlock the full potential of 11th Gen Intel Core processors, offering a balanced mix of power, stability, and modern features. Whether you're upgrading an older system or building a new one, this board stands out for its reliability and value. I recently upgraded a budget build using an old Dell Optiplex chassis and needed a motherboard that could support the latest Intel processors without adding unnecessary costs. The Z590M Plus hit the mark perfectly. Its 10 DrMOS power stages combined with ProCool connectors and durable capacitors ensure stable power delivery, even under demanding workloads. The BIOS interface is straightforward, making setup and fine-tuning a breeze, even if you're not a tech expert. Cooling is another area where this motherboard shines. It features dedicated VRM and PCH heatsinks, plus hybrid fan headers that work seamlessly with the Fan Expert 4 utility to keep temperatures in check. This means your system stays cool and runs smoothly, whether you're gaming, streaming, or handling intensive tasks. Memory performance is boosted thanks to ASUS Optimum 2 technology, which allows your RAM to run at higher frequencies with lower voltages. This translates to faster, more efficient multitasking and better overall system responsiveness. For connectivity, you get 2 slots for lightning-fast storage, 1 gigabit Ethernet for reliable wired networking, and an M.2 E-key slot for wireless modules. Plus, USB 3. 2 Gen 2 Type-C and Thunderbolt 4 support keep you future-proofed for all your peripherals. If you value quality and longevity, ASUS is a brand you can trust. My past experiences with their products have been consistently positive, and this motherboard is no exception. It's built sturdy and designed to last, making it a smart choice for casual builders and hobby gamers alike. The Z590M Plus offers a compelling feature set at a price point that's hard to beat. If you're ready to upgrade your system with a motherboard that balances performance, stability, and modern connectivity, the ASUS Z590M Plus is worth a look. It delivers what you need without overcomplicating things. Try it when you're ready to build a PC that's reliable today and capable for years to come.